Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be doing a holiday nail video for you. I'm going to be putting on these Kiss gel nails, and they are so cute. They have a little bit of silver, they have a little bit of snowflake, and they have a little bit of candy cane French tip. One of my subscribers, Rachel, hi Rachel, in one of my last nail videos I showed my holiday nail haul, and she asked if I would put these on so that she could see what they look like and determine if she thinks they'll fit her nails. So anyway guys, I'm just going to take off the nails that I have on, put on these nails, and see how they come out.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
So I decided to just do the little candy cane tips, and I think they are really, really pretty. You will get a couple of air bubbles because you really can't help it on these completely clear nails, but for the most part they look really, really good. They are a little bit long for me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the tip just a little bit down with my clippers and give them a quick file. I didn't use the little holiday decorative nails in this set just because it's a little early and I don't want to use the overly you know, festive nails yet. Those will be great as we get closer to Christmas. But I think that these little tips, these little candy cane tips, are absolutely fine. And when I go shopping, these nails are gonna look so festive and so fun. So let me just clip the tips and let's see how they look with a little clip to them.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
All right, guys. So this is my little holiday French tip nail video. And I really love how they came out. I really love, they can be trimmed. Now, I don't know about the snowflake Santa's buckle. You know, you could probably I just did like a tiny little bit off the tip. So the snowflake might be a little tough, but the French tip, candy cane French tip, looks fabulous. And like I said, there are a little bit of a little bit of air bubble on them, but you're only going to notice that if you look really, really close. You know, like this finger is absolutely perfect. I wish I knew what I did to make them perfect, but it's just kind of, you know, how you do it and how it kind of works out. But I really love them. I'm really, really happy with them. I think they're pretty. Rachel, I think that they will fit your nail bed. If the regular nails fit your nail bed, then these will. You might have to trim them down if you think they're too long, which I did, but I think these are gonna be perfect. So don't forget to get your trusty little trimmer, use it safely, and get the nails that you want for the holidays. Yeah, these are so cute. So anyway, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you will let me know if you give these nails a try. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So here we go, guys, into the Christmas season. I'm excited to show you some upcoming videos of my Christmas home decor and some other decorating videos, and obviously I will have some recipes to show you throughout this season. So I hope that you will definitely check those out and come back to see what I'm up to. And if you're on Facebook, please go and like my Facebook page. You can post pictures of things that you do, and I just love that when my subscribers post or comment. I just love to get the communication going and the dialogue going with my besties. Anyway, guys, thanks so much. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye for now.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget our Christmas memories.